What's up, guys? Welcome back. It's been a long 10 months, but I'm back. I almost lost my YouTube account, so I'm back now. Bring you guys more content. I'm here with Joel. What's up, boy?
What's up, way?
So I'm here to just talk a little bit about my truck. They recently broke into it. They broke my window. They stole a jumper seat. They stole my antenna, and they stole everything in the glove box. So this is my truck. I'm gonna show you guys here the damage where they broke in. Right here, this is where they made most of the damage. They just grabbed a screwdriver in here, pried it. All this was bent up. I had to bend it back. You know, they obviously broke my window, threw it under my truck. So I had the window, and it was clear. So I went around and did limo tint all the way around. That way, you know, it looks good.
You did it yourself?
Yeah, bro. I did it myself. They broke into my glove box. I have it locked now, but they took all the papers in there. They also stole my bullet antenna that my girl had got for me, but she got me a new one. King cut. So I'm about to put this one on. I went with the Ronin because it has the self thread lock compound. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and install it and see how it looks, and then I'll show you guys the end results. But I already opened it to you. Alright, guys, so this is what it came with right here. You know, this is probably the two different fittings that it takes, just in case it's a little different. Probably an adapter. Comes with a sticker here, so I'm seeing. Yes. Yeah, a couple little stickers here and there. Some little stick. And then here's the bullet antenna itself. Alright, got it. So here's how the antenna looks on the truck. Looks really good. I already knew what it looked like because I had one, but they stole mine. But she's back. Looking good. As far as I know, on the reception, everything's the same. When I had the other one, it was still the same. I didn't really have much of a difference struggling on the radio. But either way, I mean, we all usually use Bluetooth now, so. Alright, guys, I had the truck for a little over a year now. All I've done to it really is just color match all the chrome. I color matched the tailgate handle, and the bow tie as well. I need to repaint it. I just did it half the other time. Leo got me this third brake light. I got full LED. So like I said, I color matched the whole front end as well. I tinted the quarters with some little film paper. I got new fog lights for it. They're black, that way they can blend in real good. Should be lifting it pretty soon. As you can tell, I need new tires. I'm just waiting on the list so I can get the new tires mounted on as well. I want to get some 35s, but I don't think I'm going to clear them like if I install them already right now. That's how she looks. I'm currently working on the roof as well. That's gonna be black. Is this at King Bustamante?
Oh, never mind.
You just lifted it, right, Lou?
Yeah, it's called I just lifted like a week and a half ago.
Yeah, let's see about
yeah, so I'm barely getting the hang of it, but I like how it's sitting so far.
Yeah.
God, I parked on the suspension right. Everything mostly. Yeah, so this one. Take it off. Well, I'm gonna take it off when I finish.
So here's Leo's. He did the color match as well. I did it for him at the shop.
We did the T-beds. We did the bow tie, the color match handle,
the bumper,
the custom bumper as well.
He also did the cutouts right here. King cut.
Yeah, cutouts, dual exhaust.
Alright, this is Joel, the King cut, and it's Tacoma.
Sadly.
You just got new tires for it, right?
Yeah, I just bought them like 2 days ago.
Well, you went with the Nito grapplers? So we're about to take off to the car meet right now. I'm here with Joel and Leo.
2 meets actually.
Oh yeah, 2 meets actually, right? We're gonna go to the Petrinko one, see how that one is first, and then the other one's actually on Petrinko 2, and then that one's gonna be by 6 and 04. So we'll see how it goes, and we'll just roll out right now.
That's transportation over there.
Estamos, I'm gonna roll out with Leo to the meet.
Man, you gotta hop in.
Gotta hop in, bro. Leaving La Mamalona behind. Following Joel. Is that the King cut? And Joe.
Alright, dude. I don't know about this meat. It's not looking so good after all.
Not looking good, right?
Nah, it's dead. Look, like.
Yeah, this Hermes pretty dead. Hey, we're gonna go to the next one. So this one is kind of dead. King cut.
Let's do a quick pass by, I guess.
King cut. So we just got here to the meet. Over here we got the SR Promotions over there. Money. We got a Tacoma right here, kind of like Joel's, but a little bit older.
Oh, yeah, like that.
Yes. So this meat looks pretty good. It's more packed over there. Let's check it out.
Take a picture under it. You gonna go eat after this or what?
Let's go get something to eat.
You gonna go to Tacos de Verga?
Yeah, it don't matter. King cut. Money.
Bueno, es como,
Los King cuts.
es como tío, pero ya, sí, ya
Cool.
más alejado.
King cut. All right, Leo. I'll see you later.
All right, brother. Be safe, mother.
Orale, bro. Careful.
Drive safe.
All right, guys. So this is the end of the video. I'm gonna try to start posting more again. Like I said, it's been a long 10 months since, you know, the whole thing happened. Me losing my account and getting it back. But follow us on Instagram, subscribe, like, and comment.